Hey everybody, I'm Maddie, this is Evan. This is our first video on our new channel. This channel is pretty much based on opening up little toys. We got the idea, my little brother always watching people on YouTube opening up little surprise toys. So, let's get into it.
We'll start off with these Lego figures.
Yeah.
Spoiler.
We just got these little tiny little car figurines, Lego. It's just a tape in them. As you can see, it's not that exciting.
It's just that piece of Lego.
It even comes with a little thing for instructions.
Evan's having trouble. I'm just gonna tear the box. There goes the bunny.
Oh my god, I can't believe you got to put the arms on it.
Okay, let's just start.
Oh, this is brutal. You gotta put the arms on.
Oh my god. The wheels. Oh, they're so hard to get in. They're like knockoffs.
That's what she said.
Oh!
Okay, I'm not gonna make the little cat, the little dude now. His arms are too hard to get on.
These tires are.
I don't know why you did that. Oh, you even got to put the feet on.
Okay, why don't just build these later and get on to the next toy?
Oh, the legs weren't that bad.
Okay, I got the first tire. That's a start. Okay, now it's so hard to get in.
Wow, Evan.
Woo!
Now.
And we got the...
Alright, well, we finished building the little Lego figures.
Watch this, watch this. One.
Yeah, well, what one did you get, Evan?
I got the race car spoiler thingy one.
I think I got another little race car one, but it doesn't really have a spoiler.
Okay, we're gonna go to the next toy.
Yeah. The next toy we got is the new Lego minifigures Halloween edition.
Series 14.
Yeah, this is the Series 14 and
Let's
Halloween edition. So this is Monsters. So let's see what one we got. I need a
Teeth.
scissors.
Teeth. Let's just, I'm gonna take out the paper and see what I got.
Yeah.
Don't wanna see it, don't wanna see it. Let's just put that all over so I can see that. Let's see which ones are there.
So I got the vampire. The lady vampire, actually.
Let's see, I would want the wolf guy, the science dude, the Venus flytrap, the Frankenstein guitar, this thing.
Yeah, as you can see on our little charts, this is
that.
all the people you can get.
Oh, yes! I got the Venus flytrap. Oh, yes.
That's
just
the
what
fly.
I wanted. The Venus flytrap. Exactly what I wanted. Oh,
I want the witch and
Woo!
cheerleader zombie.
What a thing. Woo! Nice. Oh, exactly what I wanted. I really wanted this guy. Look at the claws. Sick. Woo. That's nice. She got the vampire. I like that one.
Yeah, the vampire is really cool.
It's really hard to build though.
No.
Woo, I like. Yeah, I wanted what I got.
I forgot that there was a vampire.
I didn't even know.
I haven't actually seen the full
Oh, I want that
Sesh.
guy. That guy's cool. Ah! That's the fly. That's the fly trap.
So, here's the girl vampire.
Here is the fly. With a claw.
The fly looks weird.
Yeah, I like him though.
So, that's the Lego figurines.
I'm going to move. I will let you open one of your things first and then we can.
Okay, well, since we got an odd number of stuff today, usually we would have an even amount. Next time we will, for sure. I'm going to open up one of mine, and then the last one we got I'll open up with Evan, because he has one and I had 2 left over. So. My next one is part of the Zell's collection. I have no clue what's inside. I want to see
It's the
though.
thing with the fluffy hair.
I know what they are. I just don't know what, I don't know which one. I can get it opened.
What's your teeth?
I'm not using my teeth again. Ah, got it.
There we go. Got it. Oh, just so you know.
So the house is a cute
Evan-
little mushroom.
Evan is my name. My name is Yes.
Evan, give it up.
Oh, and she got the pink fluffy cat one. Very fluffy.
So we got, as what it would look like, a little, here's the little Zelf we got. Looks like she's a little show person, or he or she. I think it's a she, because her hair is pink.
Her name is Cindy Moo.
Okay, yeah, well, we got Cindy Moo, and she looks like a little show person, because she got one of those little hats.
And let's see which one you would want. Evan, which one would you want?
So here's some of the choices you can get in the Zelfs. And here's your little chart. You tick off the ones you got and see if you can collect them all. And so far I got the Cindy Moo person.
Let's go on to the next elf, and I have some rocks. I have some rocks here. Avengers edition.
And I got another one. I hope I didn't get the same one though.
Let's get open. Alright. Let's try to find the paper that is one before we actually get.
Ooh, I got a different one.
Ooh, nice.
Here's the other one I got.
Paper there.
There's a little Z on her butt.
Okay, let's see.
So, let's see what her name
Ooh,
is.
there's a lot. I'm not even gonna look at it. Let's just get right into it.
Her name is...
See what it wants. We got Captain America. We got Thor. And Thor and Iron Man. Pretty good. Pretty good. That's nice. So, we got some decent ones, I have to say. Decent ones.
Okay, don't pause. Okay, well, here's the little collection of everyone we got. So, Evan opened up 3 of these rock things. I have no clue what they are.
I want to do a demonstration. So, he wins because he's off the table.
Okay. We both opened up at the start 2 little race car people. Then we opened up our 2 Halloween edition minifigures.
I like mine.
Yeah, Evan got the fly and I got the vampire. And then we opened up the 2 Zelfs.
I want to see this guy. This girl. Look, she got a Z on her butt. You see that?
I said that.
Oh, but you can look at it. Like, zoom in on it.
No, we're not zooming in on it.
Okay, well.
Alright, well, this was our first intro video to opening up toys for little kids. Well, I hope if you liked it, leave a like, and we'll see you in the next video.
Please subscribe.
Yes, subscribe to our channel. Thanks, bye.